Imagine if you could have an assistant for your needs with no wages or limitations to work for you. Someone who would carry all your baggage at no cost, while you shop around to fulfill your household needs. Someone you could take wherever you go. Well, we can promise you that assistant. It's not someone, but something at a one-time nominal investment. A foldable aluminium utility camping cart. A product from Euratech, made in Canada. Euratech, an ISO certified organization in Canada, manufactures high-quality carts with innovative solutions to make the life of its customers easier, luxurious, and affordable. In today's modern lifestyle, who live in multi-storied buildings are faced with the challenge of carrying their shopped items back to their apartments. To overcome this challenge, Euratech Canada has a product for you. A foldable aluminium utility camping cart. Our carts are small enough to fit into any type of elevator, but sturdy enough to carry weights up to 125 kg or 275 pounds. And made of aluminium, a metal that will never rust or get spoiled. It can be used when you simply get away for a picnic or camping. Euratech cart comes in handy to serve you. Easy to use and handle. An innovative foldable trolley that you can use, fold, and have it in the boot of your car, wherever you go and whenever you want. Let's take a look at the product specs. The material used for Euratech foldable cart is aluminium AL6060 sheet with 1.6 mm thickness. The weight of the cart is 30 pounds or 13.6 kilograms. It comes with smooth rolling caster wheels that can be navigated around all types of floors and are easy to clean as well. The ball-bearing moment and high-strength nylon sliders ensure that there is no noise while folding and unfolding. When folded, the cart size is 20-inch width into 30-inch length into 11.5-inch height. And while in use, its size is 20-inch width into 30-inch length into 35-inch height. The size can be adjusted to fit into a small size car. Even a 14-year-old girl can lift the cart as a product being made in lightweight aluminium. The cart is available in 4 colors: silver, blue, black, and light brown. Order your assistant in the form of the cart from Euratech, a product that is made in Canada. Euratech will deliver your order right at your doorstep. A cart that cares for your comfort